Chapter 7. Who are the people that will be involved in my driving without insurance case? Now, to get the best outcome for your driving without insurance charge, it's important to know all of the players involved in your case. So how does our court system work? Our court system works like a boxing match or an MMA fight. Our court system is designed to have two people kind of fighting it out with a referee to ensure that each side is following the rules. And that referee will also decide on the outcome of your case. So who are the people that matter in my driving without insurance case? There are three people that matter in your drive without insurance case. So let's look at important person number one, and that is you. You have been charged under the Compulsory Automobile Insurance Act. You are known as the defendant. You can either defend yourself or have a lawyer defend you. If you have a lawyer to defend you, it's important to make sure that they are licensed by the Law Society of Ontario and that their license is in good standing. Important person number two, the prosecutor. The prosecutor is representing the Ontario government. If your case goes to trial, then the police officer will be asked to attend your trial and provide evidence. Important person number three, the Justice of the Peace. The Justice of the Peace is the referee. The Justice of the Peace will decide on your case's outcome, whether you were guilty or not guilty. And if you are found guilty, that Justice of Peace will also decide on the penalty or sentence against you. And if your case does not go to trial but is resolved by a plea agreement, then the Justice of Peace will need to approve the plea agreement and will be the final decision maker regarding the penalty. So what role does each person play in my driving without insurance case? So let's take a look at what these three important people have as a role in your case. Your role, okay? So you've been charged with driving without insurance. So your job is to defend yourself against the charge. If you hire a lawyer, your lawyer's job will be to defend you. The prosecutor's role. The prosecutor is not your friend. Yeah, they may be nice, they may be pleasant to deal with, but their job is not to be your friend. His or her job is to convict you of the charge. So first, the prosecutor needs to decide whether there is even sufficient evidence enough to prove the charges against you. If there is, then the charges against you will proceed. The Justice of the Peace's role. He or she is the referee in your fight, and the Justice of the Peace is not advocating for you, but they're also not advocating for the prosecutor. Their role is to act like a referee, and the Justice of Peace is there to make sure that all the rules of the law and the court are being followed. And the Justice of Peace will be the one who decides whether you are found guilty or not.